Most people cry thinking that it's impossible to get high-paying clients on Upwork. And I think it's complete bullshit. Just look at my profile. How come every single client I ever signed is a high-ticket client? Even though I don't speak English as my first language and I'm from a country most people don't even know exists. Well, I think it's because most freelancers on Upwork are blind. Blind to spot high-paying clients. So, let me show you the simple checklist I use every single time to sign high-paying clients on Upwork. So let's go to any job on Upwork. Let's say this one. So we're gonna click on this. And first thing you want to have is they want to have payment verified. This basically indicates that they've already paid someone, so they're not a scammer, and this indicates they're more likely to have more money, okay? Next thing you want to have is you want to have at least 4.8 average rating of their past reviews. This basically indicates that freelancers have had great experiences working with those people. And what I found is that the better rating those people have, the more money they'll likely have. So go for great rated people. Next thing you want to aim for is the high rate, because people who have money are hiring. They're not just posting random jobs on Upwork and then not hiring anyone. And you want to aim for at least 75%. Now this guy has 100%, so that's awesome. Next thing, you want to look for at least 20K plus total spend. The more money they've spent on Upwork, the more money they're probably gonna have. This guy has 39K, awesome. Now, if we went through this first round of the checklist, now is the last thing we need to look for. And if they pass this as well, they are most likely a high-paying client. So you want to scroll all the way down to their reviews, and you want to see how much they have paid for the past projects to other freelancers. And you obviously want to be looking for the project they're looking to hire you for, okay? So if I look here, 466, 1500, 1500, 2.5K, like this is most likely high-paying client because they're paying a lot of money to other clients. So there's high chance they will pay a lot of money to you as well. And this is how you pretty much decide whether the client is going to be high-paying one or not. By the way, if you guys don't know how to write proposals on Upwork that get responses and get you hired, then go check out this video right here where I break down the entire process of how I use AI to generate client-winning proposals for me. It's right here.